This is going to be a shorter video than I planned because I thought I was recording and I was not. And I was not. So I'm decorating my Skinny Classic for April, and I'm using these stickers from Dollar Tree because it's astronomy month, and these are the astrological signs, the horoscope signs, and I've got some kind of celestial-y type stickers. This I use for my daily tarot. So I just come in and letter in my card of the day and then do a little bit of journaling about it. That's all I use it for. And I'd pre-planned to do these stickers in my setup. I've already done this page and this page using the astrological signs. And then I've just done this, and I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So here we are. Welcome back to a lot of the talking that I have done and you weren't here for it, and that's okay. And that's okay. That's okay. So yes, I just can't sometimes. My brains, like zombie brains. Oh, look at that. I have a 15 attached to my scissors. That is clearly off something that I was doing. I think it was from my monthly. I just got nothing. Like now I keep looking at the camera to make sure that the light's on. It's because everything has changed. The room has changed, everything has changed, the backdrop's changed, the lighting's changed, the camera's changed, and now I have an external mic. That's changed. Everything's changed. And if you know me, you know I don't like change. I don't like change. Let's put that there, and then I think we're going to put something in for the full moon. And it might be a box, but looking at these, I think these were the ones that kind of went more with the stargazer. Let me get the stargazer. And the good thing is I can be over here doing something else and you can still hear me because the mic comes with me. The mic comes with me. How fun is that? How fun is that? I could use one of those circle stickers. I think I've arranged this. Oh, they're smaller than I was expecting. I think I've arranged this in color order, as I remember. Yeah, I did. I don't really like those together. It's more that. It's more that. I first of all looked at these and I feel it's that. Oh no, I've ripped it. I've ripped it. Maybe put that in. Hang on, let me get rid of that. Or is it that? Oh, it's that. Never mind, it's that. Let's take that back off. I know it says appointment, it won't in a second. And then we put that there. Yep, yep. Yeah. Keep picking the wrong washi up. It's not helping matters at all. And I need to wipe that bit out because I haven't whited that bit at all. If you did not see my post, I have redone my, well, we'll call it some of my room in here. And I am struggling. I am struggling to remember where everything is. Just to remember where everything is, like, it's just, it's been a time. It's been a time. It's been a time. Let's put a circle on there. If I can find any of my circle stickers. There we go. There we go. Yeah, let's do that. I like that. That's gonna be that. Boom, done. Oh, hang on, I need to put the bloody holes in. Oh, look at that. I love, if you didn't know, I now have a pegboard with all the things right here. They're just literally right there. Yes, I like that. Now I just think maybe we need another one. No, just leave it. 3 is good. And then when you put the new moon in, I'll just do exactly the same thing. Why am I trying to reinvent the wheel? Apart from the fact that the new moon is there. Maybe I just do more of those on this one. Or I do those the other way around. Yeah, I maybe do that. Let's do that. Get off the page. And we'll put the circle more here. Yeah. Put the circle more here. And we'll go for the moony one. The moony one, you know? The moony one. See, that just needs to go there. I got nothing. I just need to fill that space in. I just need to fill that space in. And this one, just hang on. I have scissors somewhere. I can't believe I was doing this and then just wasn't pressing play. Wasn't pressing record. So annoying. So annoying. Can we just say that is so annoying? Okay, what have we got? Let's do the little Hamza hand. Yes. And then we'll put one here, literally just right on the edge of the page. Right on the edge. I need to move that over a little bit, just to give myself more space. More space, more space, more space. Yes. That's not straight. That's not at all straight. Jeepers. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to do exactly the same thing that I just did. Take that, take a circle. This is for here. And then put that, oh my, struggling today. Struggling. Struggling. Should not have put that away because there's a little bit of that on there. A little tiny smidge. A little tiny smidge. Okay, there we go. And then this just goes there. I like it there actually. Let me just move that the other way around. If it will come off. Nope, never mind. It's going there. And bring in my white circles again. Yep, yep, yep. Okay. And then here, rather than here. I think here. No, I'm gonna carry on. I'm gonna do it how I did it before. Why are you trying to change things? Why? Why, and why? I like talking to myself. Talking myself out of changing things. And you weren't here for the earlier conversation that I had about the redating, but I'm going to be using like bullets and things. Let's use the candle. Yep. Okay. And that, my friends, is done. Correct? Because 1st to the 6th, 7th, 14th, 21st, and then the other one is in May because of the way that the month starts is more, yeah. Okay, perfect. Not perfect, but you know what I'm saying. Okay, so I'm going to put the dates in. What I think I'm going to do is look in here for things. Do I want to put these in? I need something blue to go in there. I could just put regular dates in there. I was looking for things to go with this. Black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That's the problem we're going to have. There's not enough. There's not enough. Oh, the only thing I can do is use these somehow. And I can't do that. Do I have anything in here that I could use for dates? No is the answer to that question. No. Okay. I guess we're just putting regular dates in then. Regular dates, like a regular thing. Is that what I want? I think so. I think what I want to do as my next, I'm going to say my next Etsy, for lack of a better word, project, is I want to play with the redating stuff. I mentioned this in my monthly, but I want different colours. I want to do some circles, some squares, some flags. Like, I want to do some different things. I'm just feeling a little, I don't want to use the word stuck, but for lack of a better word, stuck with the whole redating thing. But yeah. And if you're still here listening to this, and who knows, because maybe I won't even bother putting this up because I screwed up doing the filming, but guaranteed, every time I do one of these spreads and I say, oh, I'm doing the Skinny Classic, it's my faith planner, blah, 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 and then I say the word tarot, guarantee I lose subscribers. Absolutely guaranteed. And it's funny because then I mention this and you can guarantee now I will get comments saying, I subscribe to you for your tarot stuff and blah, blah, blah. Like, I don't complain when I go to other people's faith planners and their Bible planners. Like, again, and I do complain about the Happy Planner calling their line the faith line. That is incorrect. It is the Christian line. It is the Christian line. It is not the faith line. Can't call it faith when there's only one bloody faith. You need to be a bit more inclusive, Happy Planner. But yeah, I always lose subscribers when I do my tarots. But I'm going to carry on doing my tarot because it's who I am. And if you didn't know that, then I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Maybe that goes there. No, I'm going to put it there. Maybe I'll put my moon in there. Or I put it in there. I don't know. I don't know what this is going to be for. I'm not sure yet. I'm trying to find my moons right now. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Maybe I put that in. Oh, I like that. Was that the full or the new? That was the new. I kind of like that, but I don't like the fact that it's going to be, oops, over the edge. But I think it's just enough that it wouldn't bother me. I'm going to do that. That's like a triple layered sticker and I'm down for it. I like that. Let me see if I can do the other one. Oh yeah, I can easily do that one there when I can find them again. It's funny, I don't normally like these ones. I prefer, on my set, I prefer those, but I like that. Who knew? Who knew? Okay. I think I'm done. Apologies that you weren't here for the whole thing. Apologies that you weren't here for the whole thing, but there we go. I'm going to put this back in. I'm going to take that off. I don't use these pages. I don't even know. I think eventually, when the months are done, because I use these for redating, when the months are done, I'll just kind of squish them together. And I might as well do that now. Because I've just not been using it, so there's no point, right? You can guarantee now I will want to use this month. Guaranteed. But if I'm not using it, it just seems silly having it as a page. So I've got that. That is for astronomy month. I feel like I need another one of these, but I'm just going to leave it. Yes. And yet again, I feel like I need another one of these. It just feels unbalanced. But if I put another line in, that's going to be really unbalanced. Maybe it just needs to go here or there. Somebody help right now. I'm just going to do that. I just feel like I need another one on that page. And I'm just going to use that little bit there and put it in There. It just felt like I needed another bit. See, now I want to put more in. No, leave that. This one I feel is done. It's got symmetry, so I think we're good. And I've used a good chunk. All right, I'm done. Boom, done. Apologies that you weren't here for the whole thing, but blame ADHD. If you enjoyed what little of this there was, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.